Good morning, everyone. And today is Thursday, Baba's day. Let's see what's the energy and Baba's guidance. So we will check it from Baba's Oracle deck and Angel's Oracle deck as well. So whoever is getting attracted towards this pile, this is their reading. Which whoever is getting attracted towards this pile, it's their reading. So let's see what is there from Baba for pile number one. Pile number one, Baba is saying that you will receive the gift of abundance very soon. So nice time you can expect right now. Detachment you require. Be detached from people and situations. Detachment does not mean you run away from people and situation. Let this no longer control you. So be little detached emotionally. It is not like Baba is asking to disconnect with everyone, but the thing is that detachment is required sometimes. Sadness and gladness, part and parcel of life, two sides of same coin. So whatever you are going through, face it boldly and bravely, and whatever Baba is trying to give you the lessons, take the lesson and move on. Serving the needy, seva and charity are the surest way to achieve soul growth. Do as much as possible seva right now, so it will help you to move ahead. Growth masters like parents give bitter medicines for our own cleansing and growth. You can expect growth and abundance and everything, but in between, whatever you are going through, you can get rid of it by serving the needy, detaching with people and the situations and everything. If you are not able to let go of few situations in your life or let go of few people in your life, then you have to seek surrender to the divine. You have to seek guidance or advice from your elders or your friends or anyone, how to let it go or something. And you should do some inner work. Life purpose, your purpose of life is as a caretaker and light worker of planet Earth. So take care of planets, do lots of means like charities. Baba already have suggested you can expect lots of growth and everything. Yes, whatever you are thinking right now, whatever questions going on in your mind, it is going to happen, and it's a bold yes, means like yes. And peaceful resolution you will get, means to come out from this kind of situation. Whatever the sadness means like you have, whatever the stress you have, you will get out of it. But you need to do lots of inner work. You need to do follow all these guidances and detaching from any kind of situations, any kind of negative people, and that will fetch you some abundance in your life. And be happy, means like the time will change soon. Pile number two, whoever has chosen this one, so this is a citrine. So let's see what is there for them. Grace, accept with grace the life plan you have chosen at your soul level. I mean, it's like whenever we take birth, that time only we choose the soul plan and all for this life. So there is no point of blaming God or anyone or anything for your situation or circumstances. It is all about your past life karmas, and you are here to balance it out. You are here to I may say balance your karmic accounts for this life, and when this karmic account will get balanced, you have to move forward for the next life. So accept it, accept with grace the lifeline. Baba is saying that Baba will help you to come out from anything very soon. Shelf life, every relationship has a shelf life and ends one day. So if you are going through a breakup kind of situations or any kind of betrayal from friends or anyone, and you are not able to understand that what to do in your life, Baba is suggesting that please let it go. let it go, because few things see, suppose means like you were in a relationship with a XYZ person and it is not working out. It's like you have balanced the karmic account with that XYZ person for this lifetime. Now you have to move forward gracefully, and you have to trust Baba. Be patient. Be patient, even through your even through you don't have, even though you don't have the answer, wait and trust. So Shraddha and Saburi, Baba to bol ke hi gaye hai, Shraddha and Saburi is the main thing. So have faith on Baba, gracefully accept your situation, let it go of your anxiety, fear, depression, anything. Means like this is not only about the relationship we are talking about, we are talking about the business partnership also. Sometimes we get stuck with some business partner, we feel like there is no way ahead, business is not moving towards anything. Sometimes we get stuck in our own job only. So if your job is not giving you peace, happiness, hope, anything, you have to let it go. It is not like you have to get stuck there. Face reality. Stop running after marriage. It's an illusion. So whatever the reality, see, means like, after the grace thing only, means like whatever the reality you are not able to accept, I am feeling like that way. So you have to accept that thing. So acceptance is the time you will accept your current situation, you can move ahead. You have to surrender yourself completely to Baba. Karma, same is like karma is a cause and effect and not punishment. So whatever, it is our own thing only. Means like Baba always try to help us, try to get rid of all those kind of situations and all. So but the thing is that we have to be patient enough. We have to trust his process. He always does everything for our highest good. And divine timing, do not be disturbed. If something is meant for you, it will definitely come to you. So people here are very impatient in this section. You have to be hopeful, you have to have little patience, faith, and I mean, surrender completely to divine. Whatever you are thinking, it is not the right time and not the good option for you. Angel is suggesting you might be having some kind of question in your life, and whatever it is going on in your life, and you might be questioning God also too many times, and they are saying that no, you can choose a new direction if it is not happening. So see, means like everything is interrelated. Means like I have shuffled all the cards and it has popped up like this way. And trust again. So lots of trust issues are happening. You are questioning God a lot in this section of pile section. Means people are not so happy with whatever they have in their life, and they are questioning a lot. Kab hoga, kaise hoga? And Baba is saying that divine timing is working towards that. You cannot say that, you cannot question too many times your God. It's like angel, God, everyone is saying that face the reality, gracefully face the reality. Whatever is not working out, just let it go. And why are you feeling stuck? You have to trust, because Baba or angel, everyone is trying to guide you. So this was the guidance for today, Thursday. Hope you liked it. Like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.